Hi guys, I'm gonna show you my sister. Okay, this is my sister. Kyla! Come here. Di ba tanggil ka? You look like a tanggil, di ba? Oh, come on, come on. Ba't ka mahiya? Oh, look at my sister. Tanggil daw siya eh. Imagine niya, tanggil siya. With long hair with the black hair. Say hello ka nga, say hello. Hello, I studied Haba. You're like a Chinese. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you our bedroom. What I'm gonna show you my our toys because Kyla wants to play mommy honey. So this is our room. Here and Kyla tumabi sa Hindi bubuhok ko. Oh, dito ka muna. Oh, ilalagay ko ulit. Bilis. This is the window. This is my sister. Mama, me. And my mom. There is my mom. So, next I'm gonna show you my room. Bye! Wala na. Bye ka na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye ka. Bye-bye.